Good morning, guys. This is how I look when I wake up. Oh man, so bright, so bright. Let's move shutter speed. Okay, so yeah, it's 1st of November, so it's a new day. I'm still doing my stuff here, and yeah, doing it with my two computers. And yeah, I need to go to Knox right now, Westfield, because I had the cake made for Laura, and I need to pick it up now. So let's go. Anyway, one more thing. Hold on. Okay, I'm quite nervous now because I really like High Sierra. I want it on my computer. It's more stable. So what I did is I backed it up, and I'm gonna upgrade to Catalina. Okay, so yeah, I really love High Sierra, but I need to upgrade to Catalina to update my Lightroom. And in order for me to read my A7C files, I need to update my Lightroom. So here it goes. Let's press agree. Okay, good luck. So I need to go out now, and yeah, I need to go out now. And it's 1 p.m, 1:20. I need to go out now. I need to go out now. Okay, I need to go out now. Okay, I'm on my way to Knox right now, and it's a beautiful sunny day today. I don't have an ND filter, it sucks, but yeah, so excited to get the cake, and I might get Rice Works on my way there. Rice Works, chicken katsu, or salmon karage. I don't know how to read it. Okay, I still don't have exposure with people, so I might remove my mask for now. I'm just gonna leave it on. Yeah, I'm so excited. The weather's really good today. Hoping in the next few days we will be allowed to go outside. Initial plan with the lockdown is yeah, we can go more than 25 kilometers. That will be on November 8th, and I have a wedding on November 7th with Dawn and Aldin, so I'm excited. But other than that, yeah. And also today I need to finish everything. I need to finish the last of my assessments. That way I'd be free next week, and I'll not worry about anything else. Okay, so happy to get things done. And yeah, summer's coming. 2 more months. Okay, it might be a hassle for me to bring this camera. Might be a hassle for me to bring this camera inside there, and I'm gonna be bringing a cake, and I'm gonna be bringing food. So I might as well leave this camera here for now. So we just gonna stay here, camera. Sorry about that. Oh yeah, it feels good when you're safe back in the car and you finished sanitizing already. Where's my keys? Here it is. Yep. Oh yeah, it feels good when you're back in the car, safe. And yeah, I got Laura's cake. So yeah, I also have lunch. So I'm heading home now. Yep. Okay, we're gonna break the cake.
No, it's too big. I need a knife.
It's water.
Oh shit, I need a knife.
Okay.
Don't film me.
Okay, just updated my Mac, and it's now, oh, it's gone. Okay. Oh shit, there's a lot of errors. I'm gonna read all of them in a few, but yeah, updated it to Catalina, which is, I don't want to, but yeah, here we are. Good morning, guys, and look at me. I am here. It's Laura's birthday, and happy birthday, Laura. I'm not gonna put her in a video because she's got she just trolled me and I can't show her in the camera. Anyway, today's around 1 a.m. and I just finished some of my work. So still have one or two more to finish because it's been a hectic, long week. This videos will be sucky, but don't worry. The next few days we'll have good videos, quality content, and everything else. I'm so excited. I'm using the 28mm, and it's gonna be great soon. Yeah, I assure you guys. Anyway, still loving this A7C that I'm using right now for videos. Okay, gotta go back to work. My hair's, yeah, shit.